Hi students, how are you? This is your biology teacher. In early class, we have learned about cell structure and functions, and also we read about differences between plant cell and animal cell. Once look at these diagrams. What are the parts present in plant cell and in animal cell? When compared both of them, the plant cell additionally has one another part, that is cell wall. Once again, read them. The outermost layer, cell wall, beneath of that plasma membrane, beneath of that cytoplasm, and center of the cell nucleus in plant cell. In earlier class, we learnt about functions of cell wall. Once recur about that. Cell wall is the outermost membrane which is being green in color. Look at that. While observing this diagram, wherever the green color is there, light green color is, that is the cell wall. Total it is made up of proteins and lipids. What are there? Proteins, lipids, cellulose, carbohydrate, starch, etc. So what are the major component of the cell wall? The major component of the cell wall is cellulose. Don't forget that. What is the major component? Cellulose. Cellulose, it turn into carbohydrate or starch or something. So it is green in color wherever it is enclosed all over the cell. It is made up of dead cells. Totally all those are dead cells. Because of along with cellulose it contain another material is also there which is secreted along with internal organ, that is lignin. So the outermost bark or cell wall is deposited along with cellulose and lignin. It should protect all inner organs, because all internal organs are very delicate and soft organelles. It has to be protected from external environment such as temperature, cold condition, foreign germs, etc. etc. In earlier class already I taught about them. And also it has number of pores which are meant for pits. These pits are helping for the elimination of waste material from the inner part of the cell while secreting along with plasma membrane or internal organelles. And the second one is second innermost layer or beneath of the cell wall contain plasma membrane. So the plasma membrane is only made up of protein and lipids. It contain only proteins and lipids are there. It is very soft, delicate, flexible membrane, very soft membrane. When we scratch that, immediately that should be broken into small pieces and that entire material should be come out along with that plasma membrane. This is the second membrane in plant cell. So that's why it has to be protected along with the cell wall. This membrane very delicate and flexible and also permeable membrane. In earlier class I have taught about the permeability, which can allow some material into the body or exit some material from the cell into environment, that is permeability. So whatever they needed from external environment, they should simply allow into the body, and whatever the unwanted materials present inside the cell, that should be exit or expelled outside of the body. So that's why we can say that this membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. And beneath of that plasma membrane contain some space is there in between the nucleus and plasma membrane. In between the plasma membrane and the nucleus, some space is there which is filled with material, granulous material. Light blue color is there, that is light blue color, light color is there. So that is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is there. What is the third membrane or third part of the plant cell? Cytoplasm. Light yellow is there, that is not blue color, light yellow is there. That light yellow colored portion is known as cytoplasm. It is the site of all organelles. What is the site of all organelles in the plant cell? Cytoplasm. So it contains number of organelles are there. It consists of different kind of organelles. Those can be performing all kind of life processes. In earlier class we have learnt about the different kind of life processes. All those are carried out along with each and every organelle where they are present in the cytoplasm. And in between the cytoplasm contain a stained body is there, that is nucleus. What is the innermost part of the cell? Nucleus is the innermost part of the cell. So we have to learn about the nucleus. In the earlier class I have taught about something, and again listen about that. Nucleus is enclosed with two membranes. What are the two membranes? Nuclear envelope. The two membranes are called nuclear envelope. Internally, the nuclear envelope, internally what is there? Some kind of material is there, that is called nucleolus. What is it? Nucleolus. So the nucleolus once again contain two portions. Already you learnt about that. One prominent portion is there, that is known as a chromatin, another one is nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm and chromatin, two kind of portions are present in the nucleus. Nucleus is there. It is filled with some material. Again, that material can be divided into two groups according to their functions. What are the two functions and what are the two parts of the nucleus? One is chromatin, another one is cytoplasm. Let us discuss about the chromatin. Chromatin is a genetic material which pass genetic information from one generation to another generation. You know very well about that. What is meant by genetic information? Heredity characters or inheritity characters. Heredity difference is there in between heredity and inheritity. Difference is there. What is the major difference between heredity and inheritity? When we have get any characters from our foreparents, they are the inheritity. When we have got only characters from our parents, that is heredity. So heredity, inheritity, both characters are derived from the chromatin. And another cytoplasm. The cytoplasm supplies required material to the nucleus. So the plant cell has these four kind of parts are there. And another animal cell. Animal cell only enclosed with look at that. Look at the screen. What is there? Animal cell. Animal cell enclosed with only a delicate flexible membrane. Delicate soft flexible membrane. Very soft this is. There is no cell wall around that. It contains only one membrane is there. Once compare plant cell and animal cell while observing the screen. What is there? This is made up of. However, the plant cell made up of protein and lipids. In the same way, the animal cell is also made up of protein and lipids. It is flexible, delicate and permeable membrane. We know this permeable membrane should allow the oxygen, should allow the food metal into the cell. To allow all organelles, they must be need oxygen and food material. And after digestion of that food material, whatever the waste material released in that has to be sent out. So sent out of the material from the cell and absorption of the material from the outside, all these two functions should be carried out along with plasma membrane. So what is the importance of the plasma membrane? Once you have to remember yourself. And beneath of that, what is there? Beneath of that, cytoplasm is there. It is similar to the plant cell. So the cytoplasm is a set of different kind of organelles. And innerly what is there? Nucleus is there. Cytoplasm which has a different kind of organelles, and innerly nucleus is there. While studying about the plant cell, already I told about the different kind of functions of nucleus. The same way in the animal cell is also should be done all kind of functions. So let us discuss about the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Where is the cytoplasm? Thus in plant cell and animal cell. I am telling now about the cytoplasm in plant cell and animal cell. The cytoplasm lies in between the nuclear envelope and the plasma membrane. In between that, it is a granulous material. It contain, this granulous material contain different kind of organelles are there. When we have observed the plant cell and animal cell, here contain different kind of parts are there. So what are the parts present? Once look at that. Ribosomes are there, chloroplasts are there, endoplasmic reticulum is there, lysosomes are there, plastids are there, vacuole is there, and mitochondria is there. Look at that. What are there here? Organelles. Different kind of organelles are present in each and every cell, in plant cell and as well as in animal cell. But in plant cell, while observing this board, in plant cells contain some kind of material is there, but in animal cell there is no such kind of material. Can you guess that what is the material present in plant cell additionally than the animal cell? Yes, you can guess it. What is that is? Chloroplast. Chloroplasts are absent in animal cell. Plastids are absent in animal cell. Vacuoles are minute in animal cell. What are the parts present in plant cell? Ribosomes are there, chloroplasts are there, endoplasmic reticulum is there, lysosomes are there, plastid is there, vacuole is there, and mitochondria is there. So all these are the parts in plant cell. And as well as in animal cell, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, small vacuole, and mitochondria is there. Look at this board. What am I told about the outer membrane of the cell? In plant cell and animal cell, in plant cell plasma membrane is there. In plant cell this is the plasma membrane. So look at that. Plasma membrane is there here. Plasma membrane, already we learnt about that. It is the outermost layer of plant cell and animal cell. What is the major function of the plasma membrane? It protects from external environment and also allow required material and also exhibit unwanted material. This is the major function of the plasma membrane. And another diagram, look at that another diagram, cell wall. What is this? Is cell wall. So the cell wall is present only on the plant cell. It is the outermost covering of the body. It protects all internal organs from external environment. It is rectangular in shape. What is the shape of the cell wall? Rectangular. Where is the cell wall? The cell wall only present on plant cell. And another, algae is also there. This is the cell wall contained in algae, because the algae can synthesize their own food by the presence of green material, chlorophyll. It has chlorophyll, green color. Once look at that, however it is exhibiting green color, as well as the algae is also should exhibit green color, and some bacteria is also, some cyanobacteria like that, some bacteria also can be synthesized their own food. So where they are, chloroplasts are present, they can be synthesized. So the wall, cell wall, that is the major function. The next one is cytoplasm. What is the cytoplasm? The cytoplasm is the area wherever occupied in between the nuclear envelope and the plasma membrane. So it is very clearly there, cytoplasm. This entire light blue area, this entire light blue area is a cytoplasm. What are there in that cytoplasm? The cytoplasm contain number of organelles are there. Once look at that number of organelles like that. In earlier class we have learned about the ribosomes, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. etc. Everything is there in this only. So it is site for, and also it has some material to supply the required amount of energy source to each and every organelle. The next one is important one is, which is controlled and coordinate all organelles and all functions, that is nucleus. Look at that nucleus. The nucleus occupied the center of the cell in animal and the brim of the plant cell. So in earlier class we have learnt about the functions, structure of the nucleus. Next one is endoplasmic reticulum. Look at this. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is also very important organelle, endoplasmic reticulum. So we have to learn more information about the endoplasmic reticulum. It is seems to a body which is occupied all over the cell. It should be contained in plant cell and animal cell. Where is there this endoplasmic reticulum? The endoplasmic reticulum covered all over the plant cell and animal cell. What is the first membrane of the plant cell? cell wall, plasma membrane, and it is also another kind of membrane. It is present beneath of the plasma membrane in plant cell and animal cell. What is the third membrane of the animal cell? Third membrane of the animal cell is endoplasmic reticulum. So let us observe this diagram. Later we will discuss about again endoplasmic reticulum. Thank you.